Hey, I'm Guy, co-founder and CEO at Nominal. I've spent countless hours speaking with finance teams, controllers, and CFOs, and one thing always stood out. The financial close process is painful. It's manual, error-prone, and frankly outdated. That's why we built Nominal, an AI-powered platform specifically designed to augment finance and accounting teams with AI agents. Here's how it works. Nominal connects directly into your ERP systems, including all mainstream platforms like SAP or NetSuite, as well as more bespoke financial systems, pulling transaction-level data into our Shadow General Ledger. This Shadow Ledger mirrors your existing General Ledger, enabling powerful AI automation and analytics. Our Shadow Ledger also enables financial consolidations across multiple systems, providing precise insights and actionable recommendations. Let's see this in action. In this example, we have multiple entities operating across different systems and currencies. With Nominal, I can instantly generate a consolidated P&L statement and easily break down performance by subsidiary. Nominal's reports also deliver deep actionable insights through comprehensive variance reporting or flux analysis generated by analyzing journal entries at their source. Our platform also creates ready-to-send executive reports that help your finance team clearly explain business performance and recommend strategic actions. That means less time buried in spreadsheets and more time delivering business strategy. At the heart of Nominal are our AI agents. Each agent is essentially a set of specialized instructions with a clear objective, designed to automate specific financial tasks. You configure the agent like you train a staff accountant with a list of instructions of how to perform a task and the desired output. Nominal deploys structured intelligent agents designed for precise, repeatable tasks. In this example, our intercompany matching agent proactively reconciles unidirectional transactions between entities, significantly reducing errors and ensuring accuracy in your monthly close. Our task management system is where humans and agents collaborate seamlessly. When an agent completes a task, like this intercompany reconciliation, it creates a detailed entry that requires human approval before being written back to the ERP. This approval workflow ensures your team maintains full control and oversight while benefiting from the speed and accuracy of AI automation. Moving on to more complicated workflows. Nominal's unstructured agents handle complex tasks such as payroll data entry. Just like our structured agent, these are also configured with specific instructions and desired outputs. In this example, I will simply upload a payroll file, and the agent instantly processes the data, automating what used to take hours of manual entry. Finance professionals can then review, ensuring everything is captured correctly before posting journal entries. Our customers consistently tell us how Nominal transformed their finance operations. They close faster, collaborate more efficiently, and deliver strategic insights that truly drive business performance. Curious to see how Nominal can scale your financial operations? Schedule a demo today and discover how AI agents can transform your team from data processors to strategic advisors.